We'll guide you through how to make quick links in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open your browser so you can start the process. Once the browser loads, navigate to the search bar at the top of the window. Type Notion and run the search so the site appears in the results. When the list shows up, click the top web result that looks right so you can access Notion. After the site loads, go to the private section on the left and click the plus button to add a new page. Inside your new page, type a title that matches your need so the page has a clear label. After that, add 2 columns by typing /2 columns. The page will split into 2 sections. You can pick which side will hold your quick links. For this example, choose the left side so you have a clean layout. On the right side, add anything you want. In this case, add a gallery by selecting the gallery option. Inside the gallery, click the plus button below to add a new page so you can place content later. Once the right side is set, move back to the left side and type /callout to add a callout block. Inside the callout, add a title so the block has a clear purpose. Add a line inside the callout as a gap line to keep the layout neat. You can add more lines as needed so the spacing stays clean. For example, you can add 3 callout blocks if you want several link groups. Give each callout a name based on the link you plan to attach. After you name them, select the title of each callout and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select the link option so you can add the proper link inside the callout. Do this for each callout until all your links are placed correctly. When all of the callouts contain their links, select all the callout blocks together so they are highlighted. Then drag and drop them into the first callout you made earlier. This will group them neatly inside a parent callout, keeping the quick links organized in one place. After they are arranged, you can hover your cursor over any link you want to open. The link will appear and you can click it right away. This setup gives you a simple quick link panel inside your Notion page that you can use anytime.